In this video, we are going to discuss the key concepts behind copywriting from the old school to the new. And I will just make a quick list of them and mention them briefly, and then we're going to go over each one separately. So let's get to the principles. So first we have the AIDA formula, which is the one formula that we use to speed up our writing and make it much better. So this is definitely the one formula that helps us become better copywriters. We are going to discuss it in the next video, so don't worry about it for now. Then I'm going to show you how to write incredible headlines, how to use hooks to keep people interested, how to entice desire, and how to get them to take action. Of course, we are going to mention our good old friend customer development again in terms of copywriting and how we use it exactly to get better copy. Then we are going to discuss how we use the scientific method to improve our copy over time. I'm going to show you some very cool and tricky psychological tricks, which are called the angels and the devil's cocktails, that we use for copy a lot. We are going to talk about the urgency and scarcity principle and how to use it, and most importantly, maybe how to not use it, because some people overdo that a lot, even though it works. And then I'm going to show you the KISS principle and the Occam's razor, which are ways for us to make our copy short, concise, and straight to the point. And the engagement principle, which obviously, as it's named, will help us keep people engaged. I'll teach you my personal formula for writing successful copy for customers, or for when the company is not yours. For example, if you're not the boss, or if you don't have all the information, how you can get that information and turn it into amazing copy, ads, landing pages, marketing campaigns, and so on. Now then, we are going to also cover the storyteller's approach, which will, similar to the AIDA formula, it's an approach that will help you write stories very easily. And it's a bit more advanced than what we discussed in the marketing section. Then we're going to focus on turning features into benefits, which is a key, very important concept in copywriting, because most companies actually focus on features, and this is what customers don't understand, but benefits are the real deal that customers really do get, and that's what gets them to buy. And then we are going to talk about getting out of the friend zone, or that moment of doubt where people see your value proposition, they think it's very cool, they love it, but they're not ready to buy. And so we are going to talk about how to dissolve their fears and close the deal at the end. We're going to talk about the use of numbers, and specifically crooked numbers, that help us convert better and have more engaging copy. We are going to discuss social proof, the show don't tell formula or principle, and how to make memorable and remarkable ads. Of course, then at the end, we're going to tie everything up by using the copywriting framework, and I'll show you a bunch of examples on how to use all of these things. So that's it for this video, and in the next video, we are going to discuss the AIDA formula.